Carrots, a staple vegetable in many kitchens around the world, have a rich history that stretches back thousands of years. Originating in the region that now includes modern-day Afghanistan, the wild ancestors of today's carrot were quite different from the brightly colored, crunchy root vegetable we recognize today. Early carrots were often purple or white, rather than the familiar orange variety. These original carrots were grown not primarily for their root, but for their seeds, which were used for medicinal purposes. The plant, known scientifically as Daucus carota *, was utilized for its supposed ability to treat digestive issues, coughs, and other ailments. The plant's medicinal properties were well known and revered by ancient civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans, who cultivated it for both culinary and medicinal uses. It wasn't until centuries later that the modern-day carrot, as we know it, was developed through careful breeding and cultivation, emphasizing the root rather than the leaves and seeds. The first recorded use of carrots as a food source can be traced back to ancient Persia, where it was used both for medicinal purposes and as a vegetable for eating. From there, the cultivation of carrots spread throughout the Middle East and into Europe. By the Middle Ages, carrots were being grown for their edible roots in various parts of Europe, but they were still predominantly purple or white. In fact, the orange carrot as we know it was a relatively late arrival, becoming popular in the Netherlands during the 16th and 17th centuries. Dutch farmers are credited with developing the orange carrot through selective breeding, a process that highlighted the root's natural sugars and improved its taste and texture. This shift to orange carrots was not merely an aesthetic choice, it was a symbol of Dutch patriotism. The orange color was associated with the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange, which may have influenced the widespread adoption of this color. The orange carrot quickly gained popularity in Europe and spread to other parts of the world as European explorers traveled and traded. Carrots made their way to the Americas in the 17th century, carried by European settlers and explorers. Once introduced to the New World, carrots became a favored crop, known for their versatility in a variety of culinary dishes. The adaptability of carrots made them suitable for a wide range of climates, from cooler northern regions to warmer southern climates. Their ability to grow in diverse environments, combined with their long shelf life, made them a valuable crop for early settlers. Carrots were particularly useful during the winter months when fresh produce was scarce. They were often preserved by canning or pickling, and they became an essential part of the diet, from stews to salads. Over time, carrots began to gain recognition not only for their culinary value but also for their nutritional benefits. Packed with vitamins, especially vitamin A, carrots became a vital part of the daily diet, valued for their ability to improve vision and overall health. Carrots are now grown and enjoyed all over the world, with numerous varieties available in a wide range of colors, shapes, and sizes. While the classic orange carrot remains the most popular, carrots also come in purple, yellow, red, and even white. The different colors of carrots are a result of varying levels of antioxidants and pigments, such as anthocyanins, which give purple carrots their deep color, and carotenoids, which contribute to the orange, yellow, and red hues. These different types of carrots each have slightly different flavors, textures, and nutritional profiles. For instance, purple carrots are often spicier than their orange counterparts, while yellow carrots tend to be milder and sweeter. The rise in popularity of heirloom varieties and the growing interest in colorful vegetables has led to a resurgence in the cultivation of these diverse carrots. Gardeners and farmers alike appreciate the variety and beauty that these multicolored carrots bring to the table, and they are often used in gourmet cooking to add both visual appeal and flavor complexity to dishes. The impact of carrots on modern diets is undeniable. They are one of the most commonly consumed vegetables worldwide, appearing in countless dishes, from salads and soups to roasted vegetable medleys and smoothies. The popularity of carrots extends beyond just their culinary versatility. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, which supports eye health and immune function. Their high fiber content aids digestion, and their antioxidants help to protect the body from harmful free radicals. In addition to their nutritional benefits, carrots are often praised for their relatively low cost and long shelf life, making them an affordable and practical choice for households around the world. Furthermore, the rise of carrot juice and carrot-based snacks has made the vegetable an increasingly popular choice for those looking to lead healthier lifestyles. Carrots have become not only a cornerstone of nutritious meals but also a symbol of healthy living, easily accessible and enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Carrots are one of the most commonly consumed vegetables worldwide, but their journey from humble beginnings to modern-day kitchens is both fascinating and rich in history. Originally cultivated over 5,000 years ago, the carrot's first known ancestors were found in the regions of present-day Afghanistan. These early carrots were quite different from the orange root vegetable that many people recognize today. The wild carrots were often pale, white, or purple, with a thinner, more fibrous root that was less sweet and tender. Unlike today's carrots, the early versions were mostly grown for their medicinal properties, especially the seeds, which were used for treating a variety of ailments, including digestive disorders. Over time, the carrot began to be valued not only for its healing potential but also for its culinary uses, particularly as a nutritious and easily stored food source. The history of carrots in ancient civilizations is particularly interesting. In ancient Persia, modern-day Iran, carrots were cultivated for both their medicinal and culinary value. These early cultivars were predominantly purple or white, and their use spread to other regions, including the Mediterranean. The Romans and Greeks also made use of carrots, both for their supposed health benefits and as a food crop. It wasn't until the 16th century that the carrot, as we know it today, began to take shape. During this period, Dutch farmers began selectively breeding the plant, focusing on enhancing the flavor and texture of the root, which led to the development of the sweet, orange carrot that became popular in Europe. Interestingly, the orange carrot's rise was also politically motivated, as it was associated with the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange. The color was a symbol of Dutch pride, and this new variety of carrot soon gained widespread popularity across Europe. As the carrot became more widespread in Europe, it made its way to the Americas during the colonial era. Early European settlers brought with them their knowledge of carrot cultivation, and the vegetable quickly adapted to the varied climates of the New World. Carrots became an essential crop, especially in areas where other vegetables might not thrive. Their ability to grow in a variety of soil types and climates made them especially valuable, and their long shelf life meant they could be stored throughout the winter. By the 18th century, carrots were firmly established as a common vegetable in American kitchens, found in everything from stews to salads. They became particularly important during the Civil War era, when they were used as a source of food for soldiers, who relied on them for their high nutritional value. In modern times, the popularity of carrots has continued to grow. Their bright color and sweet flavor make them a favorite of both children and adults, and they are used in a variety of dishes across cultures. Carrots can be eaten raw, roasted, sautéed, or incorporated into soups, stews, and juices. The rise of healthy eating and the popularity of plant-based diets have only increased the demand for carrots, as they are packed with essential vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which is crucial for eye health. Carrots also contain significant amounts of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to any diet. The versatility and nutritional benefits of carrots have ensured their place as one of the most consumed vegetables in the world today. While the orange carrot is the most common variety found in supermarkets, there are also many different types of carrots that are grown around the world. Beyond the familiar orange hue, carrots come in a range of colors, including purple, red, yellow, and white. These different varieties offer slight variations in flavor and texture, with purple carrots often having a more spicy, earthy flavor, while yellow carrots tend to be milder and sweeter. The growing interest in heirloom varieties and the demand for colorful vegetables have contributed to the resurgence of non-orange carrots in modern markets. These vibrant carrots not only offer a unique flavor experience but also bring a visual pop to dishes, making them popular in both gourmet cooking and home gardens. Carrots continue to be a staple in many diets due to their affordability, versatility, and health benefits. They are one of the most popular vegetables worldwide, grown in a variety of climates and readily available year-round. Carrots are packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health, including beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, promoting good vision and boosting the immune system. They also contain antioxidants, which help to protect the body from harmful free radicals and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, the fiber in carrots supports healthy digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness, making them a great option for those seeking to maintain or lose weight. As people become more health conscious, the carrot remains a favorite vegetable in a range of dishes, from raw snacks to complex gourmet meals. Its long-standing popularity speaks to its enduring value and versatility as a food source.